Hey guys, this is reveiw. I'm Mitchell. Tim is the cameraman right now. And
Always.
Well, most of the time. And anyway, today we will be doing a review on my new Haro 400.3.
Haro
400.3. Sorry, I get the name mixed up. There's the logo. And he's just showing you a little close-up on the bike right now. So we'll get to
blue hubs.
We'll get to the review in a second.
Forks. Amazing frame. Very strong at the moment. Blue sprocket. Metal cranks. Haro. Again. Where's it? Metal Haro. Foot pedals.
And
Hard ass plastic. Shittiest seat in the world. Haro. Hubs. Very nice chain, as you can see the master links
blue and black also.
right there.
Sorry
Blue
guys,
black.
it's a bit dirty. I used it
Sports
already.
wheels, thank you. We love you guys.
Okay, so as you can see, normally BMX bikes don't have the front brake, but mine does, and I really like it with the front brake because you can do stockies, endos, whatever, easier. And then there's the back brake, which is usual. Do like fakies with it and all that. And well, I don't know. You can start Odyssey tires. Odyssey, good brand. If you guys don't know, but it says Odyssey. And nice pedals. The guy at Sports Wheels told me it wasn't good for long distances. I've only took it for like 4 rides, and I find it's good for long distance, but I bike a lot too. So yeah, really good steering. Some BMX bikes, when they have the front brake or any brakes, it can't spin around all the way, but mine can. So that's another cool feature, good feature too. The brakes work really well. I'll give you a little demonstration. Front brakes are just stoppy. And then, say you're doing a fakie, and then you spin it around, but not like this. There's just something in the way, so like that. And then now on the other side of the bike, just like the other side of the bike. But anyway, nice grip on the handlebars. They don't give you blisters like my other bike did. That don't matter. So it's the frame is really reinforced. Well, because BMX bikes are always really reinforced because of what they go through, and it's just really hard. And then the forks, it's like impossible for the forks to really break unless it's like 6 years old. The thing that's gonna break first, if anything were to break, the easiest, is the rims. That'd be the easiest. So yeah, I guess that's the review on the bike. That's all I can think of right now. And well, I'm just gonna add one more thing. If you're gonna get a bike like this and you sit down, I get a new seat.
Don't get a plastic seat.
Exactly. But yeah, just don't get a plastic seat. And yeah, so that's our review on the Haro 400.3, pretty sure 2012 edition. Thanks for watching, guys. This is reveiw. Signing off.
Also, a really good idea. If you're at Sports Wheels or Canadian Tire, don't buy bikes from there. Or Walmart, do not buy bikes.
Well, from Canadian Tire, Walmart, Sports Wheels is
just a local bike shop meant for skateboards, bike shops, hockey gear. Basically, just a sports shop like Dick's Sporting Goods. If you live in the States, it'd probably be good. I know they have good skateboards. Did you just hear me say that? But yeah, they're really good. So yeah, enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe, and a special thanks to Sports Wheels. Thanks guys for watching. Peace.